Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Happy Me on a Budget, and I'm just here to bring you a quick video of some scraps that I was going through. One thing that I wanted to say is that I go through magazines and newspapers and all sorts to find things that I can cut out and keep. So one of them was this that I cut out of a magazine. I really loved it, so I thought I'm going to take it out of the magazine and keep it and see what I can do with it. So I decided to get some cardstock and trace over it and make the same shape. Then I decided to embellish it. So this is what I've done so far. I've at the top here I used some cord and I wrapped it round and hot glued that on. Then I used some rickrack, some of this rickrack, and I put it around the top of the bottle. And then I made a pocket, made a little pocket here. I cut out a piece at the bottom, stuck that on, and I made a pocket here, so you can stuff a few little bits and pieces in there. See that? Little pocket that you can put some stuff in. And I've got a book that I've got all different types of flowers and stuff in there, and I decided to stick a flower on there. But before I did that, I covered it with some lace because I wanted to experiment with texture. So that's the reason why. So there's going to be a lot of different elements going on with this bottle here. I love it. And so I made the pocket and I put the lace on there, and I stuck a flower, a jug with flowers in it, and I put one on the back, and that's like it's sitting on something. It's really nice. I really love that. And so now I wanted to put a ribbon. I've punched a hole at the top like I did with this one, and I've punched a hole at the top, so I want to put some ribbon in there or something of that manner. I've got some of these little doilies that they're die cuts, and I thought I'd put one perhaps here, put one here, and then I die cut this as well, so I thought I'd perhaps put that there, put that there. And it's just going through bits and pieces of scrap paper that you can use to make small things like these. So because I've got just so much different papers hanging around, so I just thought, why not? Right, I've got, these are die cut alphabets, letters, and I keep them in this container. But when I have time, I just go through and I die cut a load of them and put them in this container. So I've taken out some. They're not all the same colour, they're different ones. So we've got some gold here. We've got some gold letters here, pink, and here's a white one, another pink and a gold. So I thought what I'd do is just use them up to perhaps put on here. So if I put this on, I've got my glue gun already waiting. I'll put that on. Too far up, and then I'll put this on. It's got the lovely stitching around it. Just wanted to give it some texture, just experimenting with fabric, bits of fabric, paper, lace, trimmings. You know, it's my first time I'm doing this, so I thought, why not give it a try? As I said, when I go through the magazines and stuff, I tend to cut out things that I see and I like. So things like this I'd cut out. And I've got this as well. This bottle cute. Yeah. Then I can always embellish them, cut them out, trace over them, trace around them, cut them out and embellish them in any colour cardstock that I want to use, or prints. This is an interesting one as well, the tree. When I see these little things, I like to cut them out and keep them. This little house is so cute. I can do so much with that. You know, I can attach more than one cardstock to it. If I trace it out, I can use a couple and maybe attach something to the sides and make it into a pocket. So it's just experimenting with things. I've got this bottle as well, this perfume bottle that I like the shape of, and just different bits and pieces that I like to keep. See, this is like a, I don't know, a door or something. I just like the shape, could just do so much. And what else have I got here? And I've got some letters as well. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the letters, but I've got some letters. This is another good one to keep. Speech bubble. And this is another nice shape as well. Another nice shape. And I just cut out the letters as I see them and keep them because I really like the size of them. Let's see what else I've got. And I've got this jar as well, the mason jar, which I kept because I do like shapes. It's just nice to experiment with bits and pieces. So that's that. So now that's on, I'm thinking whether I should cut around it, cut these pieces off of the doily, or leave it for now. Let's just have a look and see what else I can find. I did want to put some, I think, pom-poms on there. I wanted to put a bit of pom-pom. Let's have a look. All different types of trimmings that I've got here. Sorry about the noise. And we'll take away the shape of the bottle, so got to be careful that I don't over embellish it, because I don't want to take away the shape of the bottle. So anyway, I think I'll cut these off because I still want to keep the shape of the bottle. So I think I'll cut these off for now. I won't be able to put them back on, will I, if I changed my mind. But hey ho. Yeah, that's better. I think that's better. So I really do like this. I've got this nice little shape that I die cut as well. It's got the stitching around it. And put that in the pocket. That can go in the pocket like that. That looks nice. Like that. Across there like that. It's lovely. We've got those, so we can put them there. think I quite like the letters. I think I do like the letters, I have to say. I think. I think that's lovely. There you go. Got this summer. I think that's really nice. I like that. Yeah, so I could do some more. Got some ephemeras here. No, don't like that. Let's have a look in that scrap box, see what I can find. Oh, isn't that pretty? That's too big. Lovely. Just so really it's just an idea of what you can actually do with your scraps. And you can embellish it to your heart's content, really. Yep. You can embellish it to your heart's content. So that this is just an idea of what you can actually do with it. And I really do like that. And as I said, you've got the pocket here that you can put some stuff in. Maybe your pen pal or your swap partner. Just all different things. You can put a bundle of stuff, which would be nice. So I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching, for stopping by. Please like my video if you do like it, and also subscribe to my channel. You can also hit the red bell as well if you want to see get notifications of any new videos that I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and you take care of yourself now. Bye for now. Just leave that here so you can have a look at it. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that wonderful? Take care. Bye now.